Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making...
Okay guys, so we have our onion here which we're going to cut up to fry. Okay, so here I have some chicken thighs, and what I did, I added some coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, some ginger and garlic paste, 2 dried chilies, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm also going to put some turmeric powder to this as well. And let's get the fried onions to put into this. So I'm going to fry the onions so that I can add some of the fried onions to this. Now what is usually added to the chicken to marinate it is yogurt. But because I am sensitive to cow's milk, that's why I'm using coconut milk. Alright, so let's just leave this to soak in. So let me go fry the onions now because I want to add some of the onions to this. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And some of the fried onions. Okay, so we're going to cook the rice now. Now traditionally to make this dish you would use basmati rice. Unfortunately I don't have any basmati rice. I'm going to use the rice that I have on hand, which is jasmine rice. But I'm going to cook the jasmine rice in the traditional way as if you were doing the basmati rice to make this chicken biryani. So I'm going to be boiling the rice until it's about 3/4 way done, and then I'm going to drain it. But of course, if you want it traditional, then see if you can get basmati rice. I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to add some ghee. Some spices here. I'm going to add some cinnamon, bay leaf, star anise, a green cardamom. I will add another one to this. I have about 4 cloves and about 4 peppercorns. Right, so to this I'm going to add the water. I'm going to add the rice now to boil. This rice was washed already. I'm going to add some salt to this rice water as well. At this point, we want our flame on high. And like I said, remember, we're not cooking the rice all the way. We're just going to cook it about 3/4 way, and then we're going to drain it. Okay, so let's cook the chicken. So we're going to add some oil to our pan. I'm actually using some of the oil that I used to fry the onions. We're going to add some ghee. Let's let this heat up a little bit. I'm going to add this garam masala to it. So this again is bay leaf, cinnamon, about 8 peppercorns, 2 green cardamoms, and about 4 cloves. We're just going to let the spices infuse a little bit into the oil and the ghee. Okay, so to this, I'm also going to add some potatoes that I have here. This is optional, but we're going to add some potatoes, and we are going to allow it to brown a little. Okay, so now I'm going to add the chicken to the potatoes. Okay, I'm going to add some water to this, and then I'm going to cover and allow it to cook completely. Okay, so now we're going to add the rice to the chicken here, and then we're going to cover it and put it on medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. We don't want to press down the rice, we're just going to gently spread it out. Now at this point, if you had more ghee, you would add ghee to this on top. Unfortunately, all my ghee is finished, though I might get some. So I'm going to put it on this low flame here, in the back here, for about 8 to 10 minutes to finish the cooking process. I forgot to mention We also want to add our onion, the rest of our fried onions.